Hello everybody, and for today's topic, Bernoulli's equation naman tayo, no guys. So, my name is Roy A. Gallego nga po pala, and I will be discussing Bernoulli's equation. So, Bernoulli differential equation is an equation of the form of y prime plus a of x, y is equals to g of x, yv, where a of x are g's of x are given functions, no? And the constant b is assumed to be any real number other than 0 or Bernoulli equations have no singular solutions, no? 0 or 1 lang ang real numbers natin dito. So, to understand this definition, no, let's try to solve for some examples here, no? So, for this example, no, we have here 2 dy over dx minus y over x is equals to 5x cubed y cubed. So, ang solution natin dito is 2 dy over dx minus y over x is equals to 5x cubed y cubed. Then, dinivide lang natin sila lahat by 2, no? Para makuha natin yung factorial nila equation. So, divide natin lahat sila by 2. Makakancel yung 2 sa unahan. Then, si dy dx matitira. Then, si negative y over 2x, no? 2 times x is equals to 2x. Then, kaya nawala na siya yung 2 sa unahan kasi magka-cancel lang si 2 tsaka si 2 dx, no? So, for this third function, 5x cubed and y cubed over 2. So, ang n natin dito is si y cubed. Bernoulli siya kasi si 5x cubed, 5x cubed over 2 is parang naka-function na siya dito sa mismong function na to. So, na-raise lang siya ng y sub cube kaya Bernoulli yan. So, i-multiply lang natin siya, no, by y cube, no? Then, para makuha natin yung kanilang equation. So, ang n natin is n minus the number, di ba? So, n will be negative 3, yung y sub cube natin, which is yung yung naging cause para maging Bernoulli yung equation na to is yung y cube. Then, we will multiply it by y negative 3. Then, ang mangyayari dyan is dy over dx minus y times y cube, no? Properties of exponent, si negative 3, dagdagan lang natin ng 1, magiging negative 2 siya over 2x equals 5x cubed over 2. Kaya dito, for this part, no, y raised to negative 3 dy over dx is equals to y negative 2 over 2x. Ayun po yung nangyari sa properties of exponent, no? Si negative 3, dinagdagan lang natin 1 dahil si y or any variable, automatic may 1 na exponent siya. Then equals to 5x cubed over 2. So for this part, no, kailangan ang piece of x natin is si y negative 2 over y raised to negative 2 over 2x, no? Siya po yung similar na pwedeng maging piece of x natin. Kaya siya po ang ating ile-let z. So, negative y raised to negative 2. Kasi since negative 2, negative tong function na to, kaya negative y raised to negative 2. Then, derive lang natin siya. Kaya nakuha natin na positive 2y cubed dy over 2, no? Then, positive lang, then mag-a-add lang, positive plus positive, ay negative rather, negative plus negative is equals to positive 2. That's why we have 2y negative 3 dy. So, para makuha lang natin ang ng y, ng function ng y, dinivide lang natin sila by 2, no? Para makuha natin ang equation na dz over 2 equals to y negative 3 dy. Then, pwede na natin ma-solve si dy over dx, no? Which is the property ng Bernoulli's equation para lang mahiwalay na siya sa or matransform na natin siya sa form na z e raised to integral of p of x dx equals to integral of q's of x and times the multiplied to the e raised to p of x dx, no? So in here, ang nangyari lang dito is lahat sila ay minultiply lang natin dito sa function ng dz. So si dz po ay ito po siya with respect to y, no? O yung kaninang function natin sa una. Kaya po na-indicate natin na 2dz over 2dx plus z over 2x plus 5x cubed over 2. So, pare-pares po silang may 2, no? To cancel, para po ma-cancel yung denominator nila 2, kailangan lang natin sila i-multiply by 2. So, 2, cancel si 2, dz over dx na matitira. Si 2 rin dito, maka-cancel, bali z over x na lang matitira. And for this part, maka-cancel si 2, 5x cubed na lang ang matitira. So therefore, mag-e-end up tayo sa equation na dz over dx plus z over x equals 5x cubed. Now, sa piece of q natin, ito na po ang ating piece of q, si z over x, no, or 1 over x. Then ang ating q's of x is 5x cubed, no. So for the integrating factor, let's find the integrating factor, no? So si integrating factor po is si z ito, which is this one, ze raised to integral of p of x dx. Then ano po ba ang piece of x natin? Yan ay si 1 over x, no? So i-ano lang natin, i-substitute lang natin sa formula na z raised to ze raised to p piece of x dx, no? So ang kalabasan po niyan is e raised to the integral of 1 over x dx. Ngayon, ibababa lang po natin si ln, no? Mag-aaroon po tayo dyan na e raised to ln 1 of x dx. Then magka-cancel lang po si e tsaka si ln. Then matitira po sa atin dyan ay x. So we will have an integrating factor dyan na x, no? Sorry na may typographical error lang. Hindi natin na-type si integrating factor na x, no? Siya po yung integrating factor natin, si x. Dahil magka-cancel lang po dyan. Matitira ay x. So for this part, no, since si ze with respect na siya sa x na function, so let's try to solve for this using this equation, no, or formula. Zx is equals to integral of 5x cubed, which is the q's of x, no, times the integrating factor natin, which is x, diba? Ang x kasi nakuha natin na integrating factor, dx plus c. So in this part, no, properties of logarithm lang, magiging 5x raised to 4 kasi 3 plus 1, no, yung exponent nito is automatic, may 1 siya na exponent, kaya i-add lang natin dito, kaya naging 3. So therefore, zx is equals to x4 plus c. Then ibabalik lang po natin siya sa function na kanina na si z is, yung nilet natin na z is equals to negative y raised to negative 2, di ba? So si z, ito na po siya, negative y raised to negative 2 x and equals to x raised to 4 plus c. Then ilipat lang po natin. Meron na po tayong for solution na negative x over y squared is equals to x raised to 4 plus c y squared, no? So para lang po ma-cancel si y squared dito, dinivide lang, minultiply lang po natin sila by y squared. So therefore, mag-e-end up na po tayo sa answer na negative x is equals to x raised to 4 y squared plus cy squared. So that is the final answer po, no? So thank you guys. I hope may natutunan kayo and God bless you all.